Good evening, bargainers. And tonight, we get moving. So, what I brought for you today is the Inceptor for Father I/O. Inside the Inceptor box, you get your Inceptor, which is basically a nice little camera with charging port right here and the sliding rack or rail. And right here, basically this and that instruction manual. So, we have the instruction manual right here, which again, we never read. Charging cable, and your bracket. Oh, tuck it in there. And basically what you do is you slide this in and you have liftoff. And this little bracket, you connect it to your phone, and that's basically it. So we're gonna go ahead, and you can see right here it says top side. We're in business. Now, in order for you to play with the Inceptor, you have to download the Father I/O game, which is free on both Android and Apple smartphones. The Inceptor is an augmented reality smartphone laser tag game that works for both Apple iOS and Google Play Store. The Inceptor works with all iPhone 5C or newer and Android 4.4 or higher with Bluetooth. The mount is compatible with all smartphones up to 8 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The Father I/O game comes with a single player mode where you are shooting waves of drones. And basically, with every passing wave, you have to fight more and more drones as they become more and more difficult to kill. Now with the Inceptor, you're able to hit your target up to 50 meters away or 164 feet, up to 1 week in standby mode, and up to 2-hour play on a single charge. The game is a GPS-based radar to location team deathmatch. There are 4 classes and 2 factions with different weapons and ability, up to 16 versus 16 in team matches, or 32 free for all. You're able to play anywhere, both indoors and outdoors. Good job. Good job, buddy.
You need to hide there.
Go. Okay, now run. Cho little boo.
He shoot me.
You died.
Where is she?
Ladies and gentlemen, now that we've taken the time to get a closer look at the capabilities of the Inceptor with the Father I/O, it's time that we tackle the elephant in the room. And that elephant being the fact that this is a really, really good game and it has a lot of potential. But because there aren't a lot of people playing this game, it makes the game unplayable. If you download the Father I/O app and you look around for nearby players, in my case, I only find 1 or 2 other players in my area, and they haven't been active at all. In order for us to enjoy this game to the fullest, I believe this Inceptor and the Father I/O app needs some sort of recognition. Remember, the Inceptor itself is only $7. This is extremely cheap. $7 and you're good to go. And the application is 100% free. There is no in-app purchase, there is no loot boxes, there's nothing of the sort. So you're only paying for the Father IO Inceptor, and you download the app for free and you're good to go. So what I'm going to do, with the help of you, so for every 100 views that this video gets, there will be 2 lucky winners to receive 1 copy of the Inceptor itself. And that way, we will get more people playing, and we'll be able to enjoy this game, enjoy the Inceptor, enjoy the app to the fullest. I remember Pokemon Go. It was fun. I had a lot of good times playing Pokemon Go. But again, I got banned. Some of you guys got banned also. But that's neither here nor there. But I have so much faith in this, and I really want to see it become the next Pokemon Go. And I think that it can. It just didn't get the big hype. It didn't get the advertisement, the proper advertisement that Pokemon Go received, where it ended up having 1 million people playing Pokemon Go in one city. And I believe people are still playing it, but I want more people to play this game. I honestly do. I want to play a team deathmatch, and I want to play a free-for-all. But I can't do that if it's just myself and my daughter. It's not as fun. So again, for every 100 views that this video receives, there will be 2 lucky winners that will receive 1 Inceptor each. And what I need from you guys is to basically comment down below to be one of those lucky winners, and share this video so more people can know about the Inceptor, so we can hopefully, let's see if we can get this video to get 500 views. 500 views. That should be enough people. Hopefully they're around your area, hopefully they're around my area, and we can really get this ball going. But if we start advertising for this, we can make it happen. If you want to show support to my channel, simply hit the notification bell, like or dislike this video depending on how you feel, and feel free to comment on what you think I should review next. And most importantly, subscribe, share this video with friends or family or whomever you think would really enjoy this. It's fun, it's free, and who doesn't like free? I know I do.